you guys I was going to do another video. Y'all need to buy some more towels because guess what? These towels is getting worn down. So it's time for me to go get some more towels, guys. And I will be getting some new towels soon. I will be getting some new towels really soon, y'all. Because I done worn this towel. I've been wearing these towels out, y'all. I mean, really worn them out. So these are the sweatshirts. It says join us, the dream team family. And then on the back it has YouTube, Shaniks Dream on YouTube, Facebook, Shaniks Dream. Go follow me on Facebook. Go like my Facebook page. If you haven't liked my Facebook page already, go follow me on Instagram. If you don't have me on Instagram already, and if you would like to join me on Patreon, go follow me on Patreon too, because Patreon will have a lot of people been requesting to see my older videos, and my older videos will be on Patreon only. That's where my older videos will be at. But that's like flattering to hear people want to see like my older stuff. So that's a blessing. Yeah, but all my older videos, if you want to see those, you could go over to Patreon and pick you a tier, whatever tier meets your standards. If you want to go over to Patreon. I'm excited about that because that's one platform that I'm looking forward to doing more on. I'll put a video on there, but I will be adding the rest of my videos on there before this week is out. The rest of my videos that I want to add on there before this week is out. It's going to be, I got a lot of new content. I got a whole lot of stuff. And I am so excited because I'm always on the move, because if you want to get somewhere, you got to work for it. You got to work for what you want. And you have to do whatever research you got to do if you want things to get better. Like, I'm trying to even make my channel even better. I can't wait to have even better things for y'all. That's what I'm always doing. I'm striving for better. Better and better. You don't put that over your arm. Here, come here. Come here. Come on. I'm coming, guys. Okay, so I'm back. I really love this jacket here, y'all. This boy right here, y'all. Hold up, guys. I'm sorry. He keep interrupting my video. He keep interrupting y'all. Because this boy right here, he's doing the most for real, y'all. That's Aaron. Aaron. I don't know how many times I have to like change them like a million times a day. Because they be want to wear different this and different that. They be want to wear different clothes all day long. They want to wear different clothes. So I have to continue to put them on different. They want to wear this different stuff. They a trip. They funny. Kids are funny. I love going to Dollar General to get certain things. Like, I like to go in there and get my washing powders and stuff, because they always have washing powder on sales. And I'm trying to stock up on a lot of things, because you never know what's coming up. So you want to stay stocked up on everything. So I'm about to clean out the refrigerator, and I'm about to clean out. What in the world? I'm about to clean out the refrigerator and see what else I need in there. And then I want to stock up on canned goods one day, because like we were low on those. So because you just never know what's gonna happen. And food has went up extremely high. What's up? Come on up here. Food has went up extremely high. Like a bag of, I seen a family pack of drumsticks for like $11. And I just could not believe that. I haven't been to Walmart yet to see how much theirs are. But when I seen that family pack for $11, I said, wow, it's getting real around here because gas prices are going up. Everything. So it's like you got to try to know how to, if you don't know how to budget or learn how to budget, now is the time to do so because things are getting hectic. I don't want you showing them something they don't need to be seeing. But it's starting to get hectic. Things that like prices to stuff is going up. And I just cannot believe how the prices of everything just going up. Everything is going up.
Mom.
You need what? I need to go to the store.
Yeah.
He's telling me I need to go to the store. Like he'll tell me I need to go to Dollar Tree like every day. Think we're supposed to go to Dollar Tree. I don't know what's his deal with that. With him, think we need to go to Dollar Tree every day. He think we're supposed to go to Dollar Tree every day.
No.
Look at this. But I've been washing clothes like crazy for the past 2 days. But what I want to do is go ahead and like wash, make sure all the curtains are clean and stuff, and wash all the curtains and stuff. That's Anthony. You know that's Anthony. He doing his thing. Want to make himself known. He gonna be known. We know you there, Anthony. All right, guys. So I'm in this video. And I'm going to see y'all in the next vlog because I don't want there to be so much noise. And everybody's like, girl, these kids in the background making all that noise. Look at him trying to stop the video because he heard me say that. And what we got to tell them to like, comment, and subscribe, right? Like, comment, and subscribe, right? Like, comment, and subscribe, and share mommy out. And share mommy out. And share mommy out. And share mommy out. All right. See you in the next vlog, guys. God bless you guys. And we'll see you later. You going to end the vlog? Go ahead and end the vlog.